good morning family. I hope you guys are fine. So it's another day today. We are fighting with these guys. The fight is still on. We won't just give up like that because we've been fighting for this for a long time. So now what's going to happen is, as you can see, these guys now, they're a little bit confused. They're changing presenters, giving us something different each and every day, but that is fine. We won't mind about that. As I'm doing this video, guys, I don't know who's presenting. I'm just going to do the video, as you guys know. The rest, I don't want to interfere, the presenter and stuff, because that is what is going to damage our mindset. Okay, so guys, this is, you can come join my WhatsApp group. You can come and get the books. The more, let me say, the most important thing that I recommend you guys to do is to get the books. As we know, we are avoiding this thing of the United Kingdom of checking our strategies, then they use them against us. This is bad. So what we're going to do, we start with the first code, which is 4263. So before we go any far, what I'm going to do with this code, I need to teach you this. You draw a line inside and then you spin 24, you spin 63 and make it 36. First things of all that you must do before you do anything. So meaning that sorry about that, today we can expect a number like 24 or 42. Remember guys, to spin and split your number. These guys, they split like fire these days, so please make sure if you play the 24, just split. And then from that code we go and check there's a 46 there. If you check there's a 43, so I'm breaking the code for you guys. And then we put another line, we take the 26, and then we're gonna take the what, 32. Trust me, there might be 5 numbers on this code, just like that, the way I did it. And then after, when you are done, you have to add up everything. Like 2 plus 4 is a 6, 6 plus 6 is a 12, 12 plus 3 is a 15. But I do think that 15, maybe she's going to say 1 5. I don't know, it's a he or she who's coming, but that's what they normally do in a chord like this. So we have broken the chord now into pieces. We're going to move on to the next chord. Maybe what you can do, just make a screenshot for yourself so that you won't get wrong. Okay, let us go to the second chord, which is second chord says 3 4 3 0. So with this chord, it's got what? Let's spin again. We say 43 3 there. So now it shows us that we now having a what, a 43. If we add 34 plus 3, how much is that? It's a 37. So 37, did it come yesterday? It did not come. I don't know, it came the other day. So what they're going to do with that 37, they're going to say 3 plus 7 to give us a what, a 10. Because this is the number that is left on the series of 10. And then when we subtract, we say 3 minus 34, it gives us a what, a 13, which is a 31 actually. So I would go with the 13 instead of the 31, unless they decide to spin and split the numbers like what they do. Okay, now we are done with the second chord. We're going to the last chord, then I'm going to give you a set of numbers that you guys must play for today. So the chord at the bottom says 1118, which is, we're going to add and subtract. It's going to say 1 plus 18, it gives us a 19, which you can spin and make it a 16. Say 1 minus 18, it gives us a 17. 17 is an odd. Instead, you don't have to spin it, you have to split it and make it 1 7. So now let us seal our prediction by giving you guys a set of the numbers that you must play. Okay, so we're gonna see the first number is 24, but I'm gonna be spinning 42, 26, 29, 43, 34, and then there is a 32 there, which is a 23. Hey guys, they repeat numbers, so we're going to repeat if we see something like a repeat. And then we also have an 18, we have a 19 there, we have a 17, we have a 1 7, in that case 1 7. And then there are some called numbers that you guys must play: 22, 10, 13. You see these numbers that I've put down? Be careful of them. And then remember, there is a 15, there is a 45. So if a 45 comes, it means that a 43 also has to drop. In that case, let me just check if there's something extra that I must also add. The 36, I know on those chords there's a 36. On the first chord, if you check properly there, we do have a 36. There is a 36. Let's see. You know, I don't know between 11 and 10 if ever these guys will bring the 11 or a 10. Let us just put an 11 there. So guys, this is what we have. What you can do, I forgot the number 27. Hey, this one is a banker or the bonus ball. So what I'm going to recommend you guys is, you see these numbers, do your own pairing from here. It can be a random pairing, it can be a pairing app, because if you have to hanky all these numbers, I don't think you're going to make it. It's going to be so much. But what you can do, spot the number and then you pair. Just do a random pairing. It is also advisable that you use it. Then we are at the edge of the video. I'm going to do the drawings now. Remember yesterday that they took from the drawings, so this is what we do. We check the first chord: 42, 6, 3, 3, 4, 3, 0, 1, 1, 8, 0. So as you can see now, the 43 comes from there, which is a 34 in the other end. The 24 comes there, which is a 42. 36 comes there, which is a 39. The 30 at the back, which is a 3. At the bottom, if you check, we've got a 13, we've got a 41, we've got a 38. So this is the alternate of those guys who want to play without prediction, without like calculating and stuff. So please guys, this is what it is. And make sure guys you subscribe and comment and let us know what you guys want us to do in terms of UK Fortnite and stuff. So yeah, it is a happy Sunday guys. What you can do, you can maybe do your numbers before you go to church, because I don't want people not to concentrate on at church because of this gambling. Because I know when it's time for playing and then you're at church, the pastor is busy preaching, you end up having problems, end up going outside trying to play the numbers. So what I can say, you guys just sit down now, play your numbers, then you party, go to church. Thank you very much. I was before you